Best outdoor traditional saunas. Number 1. EcoBoom Outdoor Traditional Saunas. Portable and easy to assemble, the personal sauna tent folds perfectly in just 4 steps. Sauna tent, very simple and fast, with a comfortable and foldable sauna chair, guaranteeing a long service life. Steam tent is made of high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is so easy to clean. 2.6 liters larger capability steam pot. The steam pot liner is made of 304 stainless steel, durable and anti-corrosion. Upgraded thickened material, one-piece molding without welding. Explosion-proof, anti-dry and anti-leakage. With this portable sauna, you can steam at home anytime and anywhere, saving time and going to the steam room. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Total Outdoor Traditional Saunas. The full-size personal sauna box has 9 levels heating and can reach maximum temperature of 140 F. The 2.6 liters large capacity sauna steamer with 1000 watts heating element can reach maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit/60 degrees Celsius in 15 minutes. The sauna steamer can be set to run for 1 to 90 minutes, allowing you to fully enjoy the steam sauna spa at home. The full-size personal sauna box is equipped with remote control that allows you to control the heating level and timing. The indoor sauna tent kit don't produce unpleasant chemical odors. The indoor sauna tent is made of high-density sealing material and waterproof canvas, which has the advantages of better heat loss prevention. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Aladeras Outdoor Traditional Saunas. Made of high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is waterproof, easy to clean. The 360 degrees omnidirectional steam nozzle can fill the entire steam tent in just 8 to 10 minutes. And offers 9 heating levels, maximum temperature 120 degrees Fahrenheit/50 degrees Celsius. Safe and durable steam generator, 1200 watts and 3 liters large capacity steam generator. Inner pod is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, rust-proof and durable. The generator has the functions of timing, temp adjustment, anti-leakage, and automatic power off. When there is no water in the pot, it will automatically turn off the power. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Kigi Outdoor Traditional Saunas. Portable sauna is designed for easy installation and use. It comes with a detailed instruction manual that guides you through the setup process step by step. The sauna requires minimal assembly, and you can have it up and running in just a few minutes. Its detachable frame enables easy storage, and the durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, so you can enjoy a sauna session wherever you go. With a 2.6 liter steam pot full of water, and 9 temperature settings, Kigi Portable Sauna boasts a quick heat-up time of just 6 to 12 minutes, reaching a maximum temperature. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Vivor Outdoor Traditional Saunas. Multi-effect deep detox. The sauna tent with head and arm openings helps eliminate toxins from the body. Using it regularly or after exercise can boost metabolism, relieve overall muscle tension, and contribute to improving cardiovascular health and enhancing beauty. Temperature and timer control. Equipped with a multifunctional handheld remote control, it offers temperature control in the range of 104 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit and intelligent timer settings from 1 to 60 minutes. You can choose your preferred temperature and duration to fully enjoy the sauna experience. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.